For the last part of the lesson, I want to talk about a much more modern approach to using these Hough transform displacement vectors. In fact, it was proposed as recently as 2004 and subsequently as a way of locating a particular object. What we're going to do now is, instead of using edges or the idea of high value gradients as a feature that you can find, what we're going to use are little feature patches. All right? And feature patches are just little chunks of an image that, for some reason, for one reason or another, you've decided these are useful things to try to go find. So if you have those, this is the way that would work. So we have a training image here, and I'm going to assume for now that our feature patch is this tire, and I'll tell you in a minute about how we go about finding those feature patches. All right? And so here I've located the tire in two different places. And so in the same way as with the gradient, so when I first find it here, I say, okay, there's a displacement vector to the right like that, and I'll put that in a table that's indexed by the feature patch. And then I find it, I found it again, it's over here, and it's indexed, and it has a displacement vector to the left like that. So I put that in the same table, and in fact, it's indexed by the same feature type. So these features are referred to as visual code words, which I'll describe in just a minute. And the idea is that I would have a table based upon the code words, and associated with each code word is the set of displacement vectors that I have to vote with every time I find that feature anywhere in the image.